progressive aphasia, also known as PPA, can be split into 3 types. The first is the logopenic type, the second is the non-fluent type, and the third is the semantic type. We will talk about the difference between these types in this video. Most people will be told which type of PPA they have, provided the health professional working with them feels they have enough information. Knowing the specific PPA type can help you choose some strategies to use when communicating with them.
Someone with the logopenic type of PPA may have trouble finding the words they want to say. They might know what the word means and how they want to use it, but be unable to say it. Someone with this type of PPA might also find it challenging to repeat things back to you. They may find it hard to remember the words said to them and what order the words were said in. You might also hear this person make mistakes when they say words. For example, saying gat when they mean cat. When this person talks, it will sound smooth or fluent, meaning that they won't be taking noticeable breaks between words. You may notice that some of these difficulties will show up when this person is writing. For instance, if they mean to write the word cat, they may instead write gat.
Non-fluent PPA is also called agrammatic PPA. This is because they have difficulty using proper grammar when they speak. As they speak, they tend to leave out little words like the, it, or to. So instead of saying, yesterday we went to the park, someone might say, went, park. When a person with this type of PPA speaks, it sounds like they are having a hard time getting words out. They may become frustrated as they struggle to communicate their thoughts aloud. People with non-fluent PPA understand language relatively well. Understanding is much easier than speaking aloud. So when you speak to them, they will be able to grasp most of what you are saying. However, understanding long and complicated sentences might be hard. The person usually will understand best if statements are kept simple and important words are said on their own or one at a time.
A person with semantic PPA usually finds it challenging to name objects. They also may have trouble understanding individual words. This is because they have lost the connection between a word and the object it represents, and so they no longer understand what words mean. For example, if they were shown an apple and asked what it is, they might not be able to come up with the word or even describe what it is. They might also call it by a different name, like banana. When the disease starts, a person with semantic PPA might find it hard to understand only uncommon words. For example, trellis, like you would have in a garden. Eventually though, even the meaning of common words like apple will be lost. Although someone with semantic PPA is usually able to repeat a word back to you, they might not be able to tell you what that word means. When someone with semantic PPA speaks, their speech sounds smooth or fluent, meaning that they won't be taking noticeable breaks between words, and they are able to pronounce words using the right sounds. However, their speech might not make complete sense because they switch out one word for another. For example, saying car for bus. You might also notice that this person has some challenges with reading and writing.